currently 7:10 in the morning. If you watched the last vlog, you'll understand why the fuck I'm up this early. I didn't sleep yet. The insomnia has been like kicking my ass this year. But what a start to the year. We're gonna do chest. We didn't do chest last week. That's why we're doing it today. This early in the morning. Usually we take Sundays off and just like chill out, you know? I just do like work and whatnot here and there, but here we are. To stay awake. Gotta fucking fix this circadian rhythm. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though. Gotta distract myself somehow, some way. Good morning. Finally fixed my sleep schedule. Slept from 10 something to 9. It's currently 10:06 in the morning, and we're going to the gym to do legs. Great start to the week. Better than whatever the fuck happened last week.
This is so terrifying.
Jesus Christ. That's egg, ground beef, and broccoli on the bulldog. God damn it. Good review? Good review?
Yeah.
So far?
You know how like you cracked my back before?
Mm-hmm.
When he did it, it was a completely different experience, bro. Like, next level shit.
You feel like pull it up more?
Oh yeah. Good morning. It's tremendously early. It's like 5 something in the morning. I slept a good 5 hours. I know I'm probably not gonna be able to sleep if I try to sleep again. So we're just gonna stretch right now. Maybe make a hot chocolate, relax for a bit, see if I do get tired. If not, I'm gonna just do some work. Apply to jobs, blah, 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 and whatnot. Today is our rest day. We also got something planned later in the afternoon, evening. So yeah, breakfast. Panthy on the show. Don't sleep on this. This is heat. This is that fire. This is that. Oh my goodness. Protein hot chocolate. Yeah, we missed the fucking train. Oh my goodness. Yo, bust the Man, this enemy's going on Wayne. breakfast, there's a motherfucking ground beef in that bitch, as well as bok choy. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that chicken nuggets in a zip. Perks of being unemployed, you get as much sleep as you need. Cons of being unemployed, you get too much sleep sometimes. It is currently 2:51. I woke up at 1 and I rotted in bed for a bit, but that's life. Today's a rest day anyways. We're gonna be doing some work, apply to jobs, blah blah blah. Same old routine. That's my fucking breakfast. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I'm still applying to jobs. You know me. What the fuck is that? Protein hot chocolate? I'm watching dark. Good morning. I think it's 12. I woke up 30 minutes ago and I've been rotting in this bed for a little bit. We gym to court? Yeah. Court? And then maybe tonight we go volleyball. Who knows? That's bulldog noodles with bok choy and grilled chicken with eggs. I had Vector cereal with protein milk in the morning. We watching Dr. Stone. Oh my goodness. Documentation. The whole next day afterwards. I swear. What we about to do? About to eat.
In.
That's it.
Good job, Diana. Yes, Diana! Oh no, that's never good. Oh, come on! All right, push 5. Yeah. Thank you, watch shorts. Yeah.
How do you feel?
That's how I feel.
How do you feel?
We tried.
What?
We won. Consolation.
One consolation finals.
We won them consolation finals.
Oh!
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. Oh, I think we gotta get more food, man. I'm not gonna lie.
God. Fucking damn it. God damn it.